Hey guys, it's Greg. Real quick, had a couple questions on home defense after the last video I posted, and I've got 3 tips that may help you. Tip number one: a lot of individuals, their homes do not have security systems. So, what can we do to help with that? First thing is, almost every car now has key fobs, and on that key fob is a panic alarm. So I would keep this on my nightstand. The reason I say that is, depending on the area you live in, just pressing the panic alarm at 2 o'clock in the morning, it could either A, wake individuals up in the neighborhood, or B, scare the intruder to where they will actually leave. Tip number two: baby monitors. Especially if you live in a single story or 2-story home, you could always place this downstairs. I mean, they're relatively cheap. And if you're a parent, then you've got plenty of them, I would say. But you can place them in key areas in your house. So at night, you can turn them on at night. If there's a noise, you're going to hear it, of course, but it gives you time. So you can actually secure your house, secure your family, but it gives you time. And then time is what is needed in a situation where we have a intruder. Tip number three: this item is, if you train, then you're going to have it with you. This day and time, everyone's all about suppressors for home defense. Well, the issue I have with a suppressor is it's extending the length of my weapon system. I put it on a pistol. Now I've got anywhere from 6 to 12 inches of length outside or extending on my pistol. Now it becomes unwieldy carrying it through your house. The other issue is, if you don't train with that suppressor, then it may handle, and it will handle different. In all honesty, if you're going to put a suppressor on a pistol, you might as well get you a suppressed SBR, because at that point, it's going to be shorter. So with that, the item that's, to me, is overlooked, and I include it in my home defense kit, is EarPro, electronic hearing protection. Great thing about this is I can throw it on. It does 2 things. It amplifies, so I can hear everything in the house, right? And then if it will cut itself off, again, with loud noise. And the other great thing about this one, and this one is Axle, it's Bluetooth, so I can actually pair it to my phone. So I can actually make phone calls. I can do all that while I have these on. So again, guys, tips, that's what they are. Hopefully they help. If they do, leave it in the comments for me. And main thing, stay safe.